welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am unboxing one of my favorite boxes, which is my FabFitFun box. Look how big this thing is. This thing is huge. So this is for the spring of 2022 box that I have that I'm going to review for you today. I am an annual member, so I did get to customize all of my selections, which is awesome. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got in my box and we'll get started. But if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate the visit to my channel. This channel does beauty unboxings, subscription unboxings, product reviews. If you're interested in those things, I think this is the channel for you. Please hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date with me with all my latest unboxings. But for now, guys, let's get into this box. So guys, this is how the box was sent to me. They generally just put a mailer sticker on it and send it to you. I'm going to pop it open this way so I can show you. Ooh, maybe. So guys, when you open it, this is what you're seeing inside of my box here. That's your sneak peek. And guys, they always send you a magazine for FabFitFun, and it does give you information about the products inside, recipes, information on the brands that they have featured in the box this month. They no longer put the prices of the products in here, so you have to go check your account to see exactly what they are. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. They have all their little filler here. And I'm going to pull out, I don't know what order my stuff is in, so we're just going to start this way. So the first thing that I selected here, this is one of the Lazy Susan wooden palettes. The Ashier, is it Ashier? Lazy Susan. And this is wooden, and I'm going to just pop it out so you guys can see it. And this is how it comes. And this is the back of it. And you guys, I just thought this would be great for the kitchen, to put some items on, and it would be very useful for me in the kitchen. So that's why I selected this item here. So this was my choice selection, and this is 10.8 inches in diameter and 10.8 inches in diameter, and it's made by Caravan. So I thought this is uber great, something very useful for the home. Very satisfied with this item here. So let's move on to my next one. All right, my next item here is a Earth Harbor product. This is the Glow Juice, and this is a refining enzyme mask. And I do like these masks, especially if you have any dryness. These enzyme masks are good with kind of sawing away some of that dead skin or some of that dryness. But as you can see, this one here is blue. And I have never used this product here before, but I'm very familiar with Glow Harbor. And I cannot wait to try this product out. It says, what's the information we have here about this? So it gently resurfaces, smooths, hydrates, refines, and clarifies the skin. So I think that's awesome. I cannot wait to try this product out and put this one in my skin regimen. So we're going to go on to our next product that's in my box. And the next thing I have here, guys, is I have another product. Now, this is made by Pharmacia, which is another brand that I do enjoy. And this is their Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Cermicide Moisturizer, which was a mouthful, wasn't that? So basically, this is an intense moisturizer that replenishes dry and distressed skin with lasting hydration, potent plant-based ceramicides, antioxidant rich buckwheat honey and sweet figs provide optimal hydration and help protect the skin moisture barrier. So I enjoy Pharmacia products, so I did select this because I thought this was a good fit for me because I love skincare. So I'm going to take it out of its box just so I can show you guys what it looks like. And guys, this is how it comes, and it has a little spatula on the top, and it's magnetic. Oh, I like that. So I can't even lose the spatula. That was awesome thinking there. But this is the product here. And again, it's just a moisturizer. I don't expect anything to be, yeah, This is all it looks like. Just a moisturizer, guys. And I'm going to just put a dab on because, you know, I like to try stuff out. And see how it works with this dry weather we're having. I need all the moisture. It feels really nice. It doesn't have like a heavy oil to it, but it really does feel nice. So I can't wait to use this one here. So we're going to move right on, guys, to my next product in my box. And the next thing I have here, this is a Josie Maran product, and this is her body butter. This is the whipped argan oil body butter. Josie Maran, I'm familiar with her products. I've used them before in the past. I really do enjoy this body butter, especially for this time of year when my skin is uber dry. I really do enjoy her products, and they have it sealed. I'm just going to pop it open just to show you guys real quick. But this, oops, this is how it goes as I make a mess here. But it's a whipped body oil here, and it's very moisturizing. This is the kind of stuff that I like. It's a bit thicker and heavy to my skin, which I actually need. So if you're somebody that maybe don't like heavy products, may not be for you, but for somebody that's super dry like me, I love this stuff. My skin loves this stuff. So that was one of my choices there. And it does have a very nice little light fragrance to it. Nothing, they have said it's called Sweet Citrus is the scent that's in this one here. But it has a very light citrus scent, not a, like oranges, light smell of oranges or something. Or grapefruit, yeah, a scent of grapefruit is what I'm smelling. So that's great for me. And my next selection here, so they had the choice of the sunglasses, which you know I chose, right? So this is the Privé Revaux sunglasses, and if you ever seen these are pretty pricey. So to get them in a subscription box, I was quite surprised. So I'm just going to pull them out the dust cover here. And I love wearing sunglasses. If you don't know, that's one of my favorite things. And this is how it looks on me. And I just love sunglasses. I really like these. They're really fun and stylish. So I can't wait to put these in use. But this is something that I would purchase on my own, would be sunglasses. Not this particular brand because I don't want to spend this much money. But I love sunglasses, so I thought this was great for me. So I hope you guys think they look great on me as well. And my last choice item here that I chose, I did choose this Ambient Hourglass Blush. And I'm hoping this one shows up pretty good on me. I don't know. Some of these blushes they do, but oops, look, I already have spots on it from my Josie Maran. Let me clean it off and show it to you. So this is how it comes out of the packaging. And it does have a mirror, which I'm going to cover up. And that is the blush here. I thought it looked really great and couldn't wait to try it. Let's see if I can get a little bit out here. I don't know how much is going to show up. Now, it shows up uber light on me, so I may have to put quite a bit on to get some use out of it. But I do see it coming through, but it's uber light on me. So that may be a bit of a problem. I was hoping it would have more of like a gold tone hue, like once you rub it in, but it's very pinky, but I can still use it. I just have to use a lot more than someone else will probably use, just to have it really show up on my skin well. So guys, those were my choice items that I selected. So guys, I also did do 2 add-ons of products that you could purchase in addition. So I selected, my first product here is, it's a 10, and it is the Coily Miracle Leave-In product. So I did select this, and this was like an additional $7 for this product. So with natural hair, I figured this would be a good product for me to use. It says it does 10 things instantly, enhances your natural curls, restore your shine, define curls, defrizzes, and tames flyaways. Instantly detangling, creates silkiness, nourishes the hair, lightweight formula, helps to reduce breakage, and thermal protector. So I thought this was a good thing for me to have in my arsenal for my hair care. So I did pick this up as an additional item for my box. And I also selected one more item, which we're going to get into. I did pick the Robe. Something about this Robe made me pick it. I don't even know why. So this is by Morgan and Lane, and what size did I get? I got the large/extra large Robe here. So let's get it out its packaging so you guys can see it. And I do got a few trips coming up, and I thought it would be nice to have a nice little cute robe that I could take with me on my trips. And this was additional, I think this was $15 for me to get. Yeah, the white floral robe was $15. And guys, this is how it looks. I thought it looks really good. I have a belt here, yeah. So here's the belt, guys. I'm just going to slide my chair over so I can show you. So this is how it looks. This is nice. It gives me enough room. You could go on a little trip and have a little robe. And this is how it looks on me. And I thought this was something good for me to pick up for my box. So guys, that is everything that I selected with my customizations and my add-ons for my box. So in review, we have a lot going on here. We have this beautiful robe here as my add-on. We have the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product as my other add-on for my box. And then we have the Earth Harbor Enzyme Mask. We have my sunglasses here by Privé Revaux. We have my Pharmacia Honey Moisturizing Moisturizer. We have Josie Marin body butter here, which has a citrus fragrance. And we have the Hourglass blush as also as my other product. And we also have the Caravan Lazy Susan as all my customizable selections. So guys, if you get this box, let me know what you guys picked. Do we have some of the same items in our selections, or did you get something different? And let me know if you used any of these products. But guys, for now, that's everything in my box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. It does help my channel out and help me grow on YouTube here. But guys, until next time, until my next unboxing, I will see you guys later. Bye.